Hi everyone and welcome to a new video here on my channel. You might find this video a little bit different, and it's because I've got myself a craft mat. I love this craft mat. It is from X-Cut and it's really big and it covers a big space on my table, which will be protected from all the glue and all the glossy accents I use on my cards and things, and it will also be perfect for my tutorials. So it's got a white side as well as a black side, but I think I prefer the black side just because the things pop a little bit better on the black side. But if you like the white side, just comment that below and I might do some videos on the white side, some videos on the black side, but for now I'm going to do the black side. So I have been out shopping just a little bit, not too bad. This has been quite a good shopping. It's been a lot on sale that I've got, and I have actually got myself a big shot machine. Let me see if I can move it in frame here. This is the limited edition big shot machine for the UK, and it's got glitter plates. I've had a big shot, and I've got a few years ago I bought myself the, what was it called again? The Spellbinders red big kind of machine. I did not like the red Spellbinders machine at all. It was too large, the plates were ginormous. It was such a hassle actually using it that I sold it, and then I bought myself the Cricut, which I've still got. It's lovely. It's great for certain things, and then for other things it just isn't worth it. And the main thing it has issues with cutting, the Cricut machine, is intricate details. It just can't. It's great for making boxes and you can cut loads of things with it, as long as it's not tiny little details. It just can't cut that. So that is why I got myself a Sizzix, to be able to cut smaller, more intricate shapes, and that is why I've got myself some dies. So it's quite fun because I haven't had a die cut machine for a long time, like a manual one, and there is so many dies on the market now. Some of them are just ridiculously priced. I mean, I looked at some tattered lace ones, which is really popular here in the UK, and it's just, I mean, they took for a set of 4 dies, and like four die sets, it was about almost £200. I'm like, come on, like that's just, what's that about? That's just too much. But their dies are amazing. I mean, I'm so like, oh, I wish I had that money to like spend on dies, but I can't justify that. I mean, my fiance would be like, are you stupid for buying dies for £200, which is probably like $240 if not more. It's just crazy. That's absolutely crazy. I won't do that, but they have lovely dies elsewhere that are much cheaper. So yeah, let's start with this haul. So I went into a shop called Tiger. It's here in the UK, and they've got, I mean, it's a little bit of a hit and miss shop. Sometimes they got really nice stuff. Sometimes I'm like, no, I would never buy anything like that. But these 2 ribbon kind of, it's 20 meters of the red one, it's 20 meters of the green one, are beautiful. I mean, look at that. That is so Christmassy. It's beautiful. It's got this gold, and then it's the green and the red, and I think that will be perfect for some Christmas cards. And that was £1 each, which is great. Then I got myself some dice, quite a few actually. I got myself this beautiful tag with snowflakes. I think it's super cute. It was £2. And then I got myself this lovely feather, and I think it's really cute as well. And what I mean with, like, my Cricut would not have been able to cut this, for example, because it's too intricate. It's very tiny details. And then I got myself one of these, which has this kind of stitching on the shape as well. And this was £3, it was on the sale. And then I got myself this branch set. I actually cut a few weeks ago with my Cricut some of these branches, and it worked. It just took a long time, especially when you only need about 2 or 3 branches like this. It took maybe like the machine 3-4 minutes, and I mean with a Sizzix machine I just literally run it through, and then I got one shape and then I run it through again, so it's fine. But I really like this, and this was £4. That was not on the sale. And then I got myself this one, which is super cute. It's got that stitched border as well. This was £3. And then I got this one, which is also one of those really kind of nice shapes to create cards with. And this was actually down to £1 when I was at the till. And then so my auntie and my cousin are into scrapbooking, but they live in Sweden and it's just not a lot of things to craft with. I mean, they've got some stuff, but a lot of it is quite pricey. I know that for myself, you know, when I lived in Sweden. So I put together a few paper. I'm not going to send them all of it, but I'm going to put together like a little kit with some paper here from the UK. And the first one is this, which is Paradise Blooms from Love to Craft. It's a 6x6 paper pad, and the patterns are so cute. I mean, look at that. It's very summery, but I think it's really lovely. And the quality is actually not too bad. I mean, it's not the thick cardstock, but it's great for creating cards with, and I think it's really cute. So that's the Paradise Blooms. And then I got this, which I love. I mean, look at that. That is so beautiful, the purple. And I mean, it's just lovely. And you get 3 pages of each. Just super lovely. And I'm going to send like a little package with some dies when I've cut out some die cuts and stuff for them, just because they haven't got the tools and things, just because they like creating a card. And so I love that. That's really pretty. The florals set. Then I've got Soft Romance, and I love this one. I think it's so pretty. This is from Make and Create. And it's very pink, very romantic, hence its name. And you've got, I mean, look at that. That's so cute. Quite simple, but like patterns, not too much, like, but it's still really, really nice. And then I've got the English Rose, which looks like this. I thought it was really pretty. The polka dots, you've got the blue polka dots. That's so pretty as well. And you got some birds there. And the stripes. And I love this. Wow, that's so pretty. And then that set. And then I've got Jolly Christmas. Love to Craft. And I thought this was so cute. Look at that. It's got the reindeer. And it's got those cute little penguins, and it's got this snowman, and then more like sentiments, kind of Merry Christmas and so. And then you got the Santa Claus, and then some trees, and then some red kind of Christmas stripes. I really like this one. I think it actually looks like a, you know, a designer paper brand, like Echo Park or something, and it's definitely not the same price as we for that. I think this is like £2 kind of a £2 a 6x6 paper pad. Meanwhile, Echo Park we probably pay here in the UK £8-9 for. And then I got them a clear stamp set, just because I thought it was cute. You know, when you start crafting and stuff, butterflies are like the thing. So I'm gonna send that to them. And that was that bit of the haul. And then last but definitely not least, I got myself one of these Hobbycraft gold coloured paper pads. Just really nice. I love these. I've got a few of these paper pads actually because they are so good when you cut die cuts and things, and it's perfect for that. So yeah, that's a, if you live in the UK, I definitely recommend this one. And that was my little haul actually. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you like my new craft mat, and see you in my next video. Then I will probably cut a lot with my die cut machine. See you, bye bye.